Ethan! The drone is falling!
I can't stop it!
Pull up, Ethan! Pull up! It's gonna hit!
Stay calm, Ethan.
Oh. I'll try. Dad!
It's going down.
It's losing power, son. Faster, Dad.
I can't catch it. No. Come on! Turn! Can I save Dad's drone? What's that sound?
Dad, is that your drone?
Yes! Can I try?
Sure. Be careful.
Wow! It's so high!
Bring it down a little.
Okay.
Dad!
What's that? I don't know, Ethan.
Something is wrong.
Can you stop it? Can you stop it?
Let me try.
Come on!
Come on! It's not listening!
It's getting closer.
Steady, steady.
Turn left! I'm trying. It missed!
Wow! I can't believe it! We're not safe yet.
Dad, it's leaving!
Stay close.
Look! I'm coming!
Watch out!
It's going too far.
Keep your eyes on it. I got it, Dad.
It changed direction. Come on!
I'm coming.
I can still see it.
You got it, buddy.
Wow, it's so high. Look, look!
It sure is.
The signal is getting weak.
Yeah. That's bad.
We can't give up.
You're right.
You're right. Look! An open field!
Good idea.
Dad, let me try. Stay calm.
I can do this.
I can do this. Turn! 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 We did it! You saved it.
What did you learn?
Stay calm and never give up.
Would you save the drone?
Like and subscribe for more.